2017 Infiniti Q60 3.0 liter turbo. Still got the stock converters there and there. And then we true dualed it all the way back with 2-inch pipe. They come originally factory with 1 3/4. So we true dualed it all the way back right there. And then we put 2.5-inch at the end to fit the 5-inch tips because they had a 2.5-inch inlet right there and right there. And there's the 5-inch massive tips. Whoa, right there. And this is what we took off of it. All that crap to make it quiet. We don't like it quiet, we like it loud. And you guys can look in the link for the tips if you guys want to purchase some in the description. So there it is. Beautiful car. 2014 Infiniti Q50 3.7 liter V6. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it's wide into a single. Then it's wide back out into a dual with dual resonators. Then we did a muffler delete on it right there and right there. And you reused his tips. There's the gigantic muffler right there that we took off. Right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh. That is sick. You can hear it spooling, bro. That's awesome. All day long. Those are the perfect size tips for it too, man. Woo. Let you guys hear on the inside. It came out really sexy too. Sounds good. I like it. Much better. What you guys hear on the inside?
Oh, you make me wanna talk back. to you. Say it like that.